subscribe to this channel, let's make sure you subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up and drop some comments in the comment section below. So we are still on our smoking series, and today's video there will be a slight difference. There will be a slight difference in what we have been doing in our previous videos. Okay, we are going to know the material we need: your tape to pin your fabric down, your fabric, a light fabric, your pencil, your ruler, your scissors, your needle and your thread, and your bead. So there will be a slight difference in today's video, as we'll be adding bead to beautify our design. We'll be adding bead this time around, and also in our previous video we have been sewing on the wrong side of the fabric. We have been sewing on the wrong side of the fabric. That's on this particular pattern. And in this particular video, we are going to be sewing on the right side of the fabric. If you like these patterns, these designs rather, this and also this, they are there in the description box. I've added it in the description box. Just click on them and watch how I make all these designs. So okay, back to what you in our previous video, also the first video, you learn how to make this box of squares, which is our base pattern. So this is the pattern we are going to be working on, and just like I said, we are not going to be sewing on the wrong side, we are going to be sewing on the right side. So if you, I don't know if you can see my fabric, you can see that the line is still showing on the wrong side, so on the right side. So I don't have to draw the line on the right side. But if your fabric is not transparent like mine, like if you can't see your drawing on the right side, then you might have to draw your pattern on the right side. But make sure it's something erasable. If you want to use the design on a cloth or on something, just make sure what you use to draw on the right side is erasable, so that you won't want pencil mark on your clothes while you are putting it on. So you can see mine. I don't know if you can see it. If you can look through it, you see the lines I drew. You can see it. I can see it very well here. So the design, we're not going to be drawing any line on this. Okay, so you can see my line on it. So, and in case your line is not showing, you can just use your pencil to mark it. So I'm going to be using my pencil to mark all those points, all those four corners. You can just use your pencil to mark it. If you know you don't want to draw you don't want to transfer the line to the wrong side. So I'm going to be using mine so that you can see what I'm doing. You can see what I'm doing. So I'm going to be using pencil to just make a dot on the corners of the squares. So I'm done making a dot on the four corners of the right sides. Okay, you can see the picture of what I did right there. So you take your needle and your thread, you take this place like this, you take the four corners, you can see what I'm doing. Let me do it this way. Take this like this. Take this also. Just follow the process It's easy. Take this place. Take you take this place. You bring it back here. And see what I did. You're going to join all this together like this. And what are you going to do after then? You put your bead. You take one bead. You pass it through your needle. Pass it to your needle. Just try to put all this in place. Make sure you are using a matching thread. You see? Make sure it's firm and make sure you tie it like twice. So that's it for this. When you are done, you've got the tie. You tie your thread again. Tie your thread again. You pick the next one. You go through the same process. I'm following the four corner, the squares I do. I'm following it. You might not really see it, but I can see it from here because the fabric is a little bit transparent. Yeah. Go back to where you started from. Okay, you can see. Then you draw it. Draw it. Take your bead. Pass your needle through your bead. You continue like this with all the patterns you are done with it. Make sure you hold it in place. So you are going to continue like this till you are done. It's as simple as ABC. So you got it's turning out gradually. So okay, so we are done as you can see. So just you bring everything out this way. bring them out. And then outside, you can see how beautiful this also turns out. You can see how beautiful this also turned out. You can see this is the petal flower design. So try this design and let me know how it comes out in the comment section below. So you can also tag me on Instagram #GrowStayThere. If you do this design, let me know how far. And we have come to the end of this tutorial video. If you find it helpful, so make sure to like. And if you haven't subscribed, what are you still doing? As in, subscribe to our channel, and I'm sure you don't want to miss our videos, so turn up your post notification. Till I see you in my next video. Bye and stay safe.